Okay, fourth graders, today we're going to be finding perimeter and area of complex shapes. What I like to do to help me see the different lengths of the sides to find perimeter is actually write the lengths on my shape. So first I will find this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the length of this side is 9 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This side is 14 units. Alright, I've gone through and written the lengths of each sides. So if you look at this shape, we can't forget to add any of the sides or our perimeter won't be correct. So I have this entire side counted, this side, all the way around the shape so we don't forget any of the units. Now that I have all my numbers written down, it's really easy to see what I need to add. So I can just line up my digits and add up all the sides. 14, 10. Notice I'm crossing off my numbers so I know that I have added them to my list and haven't forgotten any of the numbers. 7, 5, 7, 5, 6, 4, and 5. Now I can add up my numbers. I added up the entire column and I got 72 for my answer. So the perimeter of this complex shape is 72 units. Notice it's not 72 square units because we're not finding area, we're finding the perimeter. Okay, now to find the area of this shape, it makes it easy to split off the different rectangles into separate rectangles instead of having it one big shape. So I can make a rectangle here, and I can also make a rectangle here, and a fourth one here. So now you can see I've split it into 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. Now I just have to find the area of each rectangle and then add the areas together to find the area of the entire complex shape. Okay, I've now figured out the dimensions of each of my rectangles. This rectangle is a 9 by 14, so I would take 14 times 9 to find the area. 9 times 14 is 126, and we would label that square units because we're finding area. Our next shape is a 4 by 5 rectangle. 4 times 5 is 20. We're multiplying the length times the width and labeling it square units. This little guy is a 4 by 1. We know that 4 times 1 is 4, and we would label it square units. And then our last rectangle is a 5 by 7. So we would take 7 times 5 and get 35 square units. But we are not finished. Now we have to add up all of the areas of all of our different rectangles to find the overall area of our complex shape. Okay, I now have all of our different areas written off to the side, and now I can add up the areas to find the overall area of the complex shape. So I take 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 more is 15. Carry my 1. 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 more is 8, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So a 185, but I'm not done. I have to still label it square units.